All right, guys, let's talk about some metrics again. And probably for those who wonder why I'm talking so much about the metrics, here, this is I have been talking about the metrics already 4 days now. The reason is very simple because when I started this training, I said I was going to teach you step by step how to get from zero into six-figure dropshipping. Okay, so one thing is when you're talking only and promising something. Another thing is when you're showing on a screen, right? So if you have been following me so far since 1st June, you know already. I opened new account in 1st June. 3 months was 1, 2, 3 August. End of the August was 3 months. Everything was going like this in those 3 months. Let me switch the screen for those if you wonder that I am showing you screenshots. This is not screenshots. Let me go here. And this is quite important stuff what I am explaining you, because if you want to get into the six-figure dropshipping and sorry, I need to this quarter and then generate report, and eBay will gonna generate for me report. So you see July here is kind of like low, 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 low. Everything is low, about 500. There is a certain system how to work with this. You have to understand this very clearly and be very sure about what you are doing and how this works. Okay, manual dropshipping, nothing complicated, no ads, no promoted listings. Here it is, promoted listings zero. I don't use promoted listings, all sales. Okay, everything just goes manually, but you have to follow the system which has been proven to work. I didn't come up with this system last month or something like this. For those who are in 799, you know already what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is 799 system. When you list certain items in a certain system in a certain way for 3 months, okay, as I did here with the new account, June, July, August. Okay, when August was over, I was 3 months doing my job. I was 3 months building my portfolio. Now, on a month number 4, I start selling. Okay, now let me switch back again and explain something where the six figures are coming from. Okay, this quarter. No, let me go last month. Last month. No, I need actually last 31 day. And yeah, generate. Okay, so it pops up here, and this is how it happens. Okay, so I told you already in the previous videos that whatever I list out there is the minimum profit is about 20-25%. That's the minimum. That's for the booster items. Okay, because booster items we used to sell for just boosting account. It's not for the profit. We have booster items, we have profitable items, we have high profit items where we sell for double price, stuff like this. But okay, just let's say, Andrew, come down, just take the minimum. Okay, let's just take the minimum. So here you earn nothing. You earn about $1,000 per month. Okay, that's kind of like well, for some people that's good money, but for some international people who lives in well, East Europe, Africa, somewhere, okay, that's what you can get here. All right, when it comes when from the month number 4, you are transforming your account in a totally different dropshipping if you did this prep work properly. Okay, that's where the six figures are coming. Okay, because look, I told you already this is too big. Okay, there is a video about this 2 days ago. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, 4 days. This is the 4th day, and today I got, as you can see on here, it says report August 7, September 6. Today we have September 6. Let me show you my clock here from computer. Okay, it says September 6 and 9:30 p.m. So I don't really expect more sales, maybe one or maybe two, I don't know, but doesn't matter. It's just the end of the day anyway because I am in the West Coast, and that's, let's say, that's enough for today. Okay, switch this month. This month will be 4 days only. Oh, come on, generate report. Generate report. Yes. So this is the crazy day. I said it shouldn't be so high. Okay, it's 4,300 per day in sales. It's not good. It's a little bit too much for my new stage for the month number 4. For the month number 4, you have to have something between here. Okay, between 2,000 and 4,000. That's what you will gonna have it if you will list the items as it says in a 799 and follow the training. Okay, so but this is what yesterday I said, no, day before I said it's a little bit too high. I was going to reduce the, I will make crazy like adjustments and put the price up very high for people not to buy. So that's actually happened. The sales dropped drastically. The sales dropped on 1,000 per day. As you can see here, it's very little. It was too little, and today I adjusted again something. Okay, it's kind of like takes a little bit adjustment here to just your items and so on. Adjusted today, and it's back to the normal now. Let's say 2,400. 450 here, and it's 2006 here. 2 and 5, let's say that's on an average. Here we're gonna be 2,500. If you do some math, let's say just the minimum, just the very minimum, which is 20% on the profit margin. Okay, that's the bottom line. There is no point to do it if you go less than 20% of profit margin. Okay, as I teach in 799, we have profit margin from 20% up till even triple, okay, profit margin, not 100%, but even triple profit margin. Okay, but let's say just the minimum 20%. How much is the 20% from 2000, from 2,500 per day? 20%. So the quick math is what? $500 per day, right? That's exactly what I'm talking about. This is how you start getting profit, $500 per day from the month number 4. If you're getting $500 per day profit from the month number 4, okay, some cases here more than, right, here is about 800, 700 per day, but that's too much. You can't do this. I know it's very sexy, it sounds very nice, and that I would like to, but if I were gonna keep this way, I will gonna be suspended. I will not gonna have anything, and I needed to start again, which is really dangerous now, because now the season is coming up, and it's really easy to sell on eBay now. So 500 per day, 30 days, what? 15 grand per month. Now, congratulations, you are the 6-figure earner. Okay. So guys, this is simple system. That's why I'm talking too much here, because there is all sorts of those metrics. If you don't know your metrics, if you don't know, like in a stock, if you are working with this, I never have been involved in stocks, but friend of mine he is, and he said if you want to be in stocks successful, you have to read stocks. You have to read it. You know how to do this. Okay, in eBay here I'm just following his advice. If you want to be successful on eBay, you have to read your metrics here. Okay, if you ignore those metrics, guys, you will gonna be very easy messed up, or you will gonna stay on the bottom here fighting for pennies. This is so important to read the metrics and to adjust the metrics if they need to be adjusted. Okay, this is your opportunity, and don't waste your time. Now is the craziest time in all internet history to make money online with the eBay manual dropshipping. This is not even monopoly, guys. This is not monopoly strategy, not monopoly method. This is just for those who don't know what the monopoly is. Monopoly is a totally different method where we do something between 4,000 and 6,000 easy. Like the same like here, 500 per day. It's the same in monopoly. We do 4,000, 6,000 here, something. Okay, here we do with the 799 strategy started from month number 4 when we list certain items in a certain way. Again, just because we did prep work good, we can get easy something like 2,500, let's say. That's just the minimum. The average would be 3,000, but let's just say just the average 2,500, just for the sake of. If you are totally absolutely failure and you get only what, half from that, or 20%, 20% from from minimum 20 from 500, it's still what? It's still $100, $125, right? Or $100, something like that per day, pure profit. 3,000 per month, pure profit. Guys, this is just a game of the numbers, and you can see that it's. I explained already in 799 in details actually how everybody can do this. Doesn't matter if you're on your location, especially if you are American. Those numbers for you are on a 30-40% higher just doing the same work as internationals are doing. It's just because of the privileges you have on all sorts of things, okay? But anyway, this is just for the internationals. If you are American, your numbers are going to be much higher. Okay, thanks for watching, and I think I did a good job. I have to patch myself on the shoulder and just yeah, I wish you would have the same very soon. And if you need some comments or questions, please put in the comments below, or just shoot me an email. Okay, take care, and bye bye for now.